guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a haul for you from Dollar Tree. I went in there the other day and they have their Valentine's items out, and I was like, oh, I want to get these, so if you all see anything that you like, you can get them. So let me show you what I found. Okay, first I found they have the prettiest ribbon. This is the red. I got 2 of these, and it's just a really pretty deep red. Then I got 2 of this really soft pink, and it has like a silver trim. I really thought those were cute. And then this one has just hearts. It's red with, I believe those are either light pink hearts or white hearts. And they had some different other types, but I didn't get those. And then, and this is in no particular order, I got a little door hanger. They had different colors of this, but I really liked the pink. And with the white and the pink together, I thought it was so cute. And then I got some of these chenille ties in the red. And then some heart paper doilies in this really pretty it looks pastel pink there, but it's really a deeper pink. You might be able to see it better there. We're really cloudy here today. It's supposed to get like in the 20s tonight, which I'm happy about the cold, but we don't have any blue sky. But I'm not complaining, okay? And then I bought these little pink hard hearts. I got a package of the pink and then a package of the red. And then I got a package of these little white diamond little, they look like gemstones, really. I got a package of that. And then these were so cute. They're little Google eyes, and they have hearts on them. And they have different sizes of Google eyes. And I just thought those were cute. And then I got some glitter foam shapes. And they're pretty good size. I mean, you can see my hand. And they have the pink and they have the red in that pack. And then I got some table scatter that's much smaller in the pink and the red. And then I got these little, they're really shot glasses is what they say, and they're plastic, and then they have silver all along the top. But you could use this for a lot. Then I got this foam heart. Now this didn't come from Dollar Tree. It's the only thing. They didn't have any foam hearts at my Dollar Tree, but I got this at Hobby Lobby, but it was very inexpensive. And then I picked up one of these jars that have the, you can see it's kind of, has sections like with a silver top. And in case you want to know, I'll put that code up and it might help you to see it. But that's what I have with that. And then I bought a package of this True Love from Dollar Tree Sweethearts. I think they're really cute and fun. And then they have the cutest boxes. They're stackable boxes, and they had several kinds. One had a robot, and then they had one that said Happy Valentine's Day, and then I got 2 different kinds. But this just says sweet, and you open it up. Is that not adorable? And then here's another box inside of that. And then you open it up, and you have a 3rd box that opens up. I just think they're beautiful. And the inside is very pretty too. So you could do a lot with that. So I bought that one. And then I bought the one that has the hearts. And this one is upside down on the inside. But it's the same principle, the stackable ones. They just really have such nice things for Valentine's. And then I saw this, and I thought that was really cute. It's just a little plastic container, and it says sweet on it. You could put sweet stuff to eat in it or whatever, and you can see it's pretty good size too. And then they had Ring for a Kiss, this bell. I thought that's adorable. And then I picked up some stickers. I think these are so pretty. They're all hearts. And then I found these stickers too for my planner, and I really love those. The sunflowers. And then here's some more Valentine stickers. Those little eyes or glasses are cute. And then these stickers with the red and the pink. I think they're really, really super cute. And then these are more of a hot pink and a red. These are actually the hot pink ones. These hearts right here. But I love those. And then I picked up some washi that I hadn't seen there before. Not at my Dollar Tree. And that's what it looks like. And then I picked up 3 of these. They have different kinds of like garland, and they have the little hearts hanging off. And I just thought this was so vibrant and so pretty and festive looking for Valentine's. So I got 3 of these. And then I got some of these little foam stickers, and they actually have like the little candies, words written on them. I think that's really cute. I'm trying to, like, here's one that says, you're cute. I don't know if you can see it. It keeps sliding. Let me see. This one says love bug on it. And then the last thing I got was this sign, and I couldn't believe it. It says love each moment, and I think it is gorgeous with the big red heart and the writing in the gold. And this is glitter, actually. You can feel it. And then this is not, but it looks like wood, and I think it's going to be gorgeous. I usually decorate my kitchen only for Valentine's Day, but I think this is going to be really pretty. So that's what I found at Dollar Tree, and they have many other things as well. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.